As an athlete who proudly represents Israel, I wear the Israeli flag close to my heart. It's not just a piece of clothes. It's a symbol of a nation, a history, and a people who have faced unimaginable challenges. Every time I step onto the mat, it's not just about me. It's about our entire nation. I'm not representing just myself. I'm representing almost 10 millions of Israelis and millions of Jews around the world. It's a responsibility that transacts words. And when I stand victorious, when I become the first Israeli to win a world championship in a sea of countries with millions, it's not just a personal achievement. It's a victory for us all. It's an excitement that words cannot capture. It's a responsibility, a representation, a mission. In sports, I've been experienced loss, but from those depths, I've been grown stronger. When I missed the Olympic qualification to London, I didn't give up. I fought harder, and a year later I became a world champion. Right now, we may find ourselves in a dark and challenging time, but in unity and optimism, we have a superpower that can propel us forward. It's our duty to support our brave soldiers, to encourage our people, from the youngest to the oldest. In our lowest moments, we have been always rising to become the best versions of ourselves. We've been grown, we've been suffered, and we've won. Let's remember that unity is our strength. Together, we can overcome anything. We've been done it before and we will do it again.